So hello there guys, how you all are doing? I hope you all will be doing fine. So welcome back to this very new video, and I'll tell you why I am curious for this video because when I was setting Rust for my MacBook it was quite easy, but when I came back to my Windows PC to try set up Rust for it, it was like hell of a task. You need to do a lot of stuffs. I mean, not really lot, but like you need to edit the environment variable, set up the path, download it manually from their website, and all that wasn't a kind of work that we used to do in MacBook. So that's why I make this video. So let's quickly jump into the video and set up Rust for our Windows PC so that we can continue our course. And basically that will be very much useful for students because many of them use Windows PC. So let's dive in. That comes is rustup.rs. So basically rs is the extension for Rust files, and here you are downloading for Windows. So obviously we'll need to download a executable file. So rustup init.exe is our file. So we have downloaded it. Let's run it. So yeah, it will ask you to install a Visual Studio Community installer or manually install whatever you want. So I mean I already have Visual Studio Code, and I hope if you are learning this, so you probably will have Visual Studio Code. We don't need to reinstall it or something. So just go with second one. So it is asking us to install C++ ka extension. I mean that will be required, but let's see what happens if we directly do this. So let's go on, and we can proceed with default installation. That is fine only. So it is installing Cargo, Clippy, Rustox. So basically Cargo will be required whenever you create new project, and to run the project and all. It's just like compilation stuff. So I mean it won't take longer. Cool. So we have Rust installed. Let's copy this path variable because we will require it to add to environment variables. Let's just close this window as well. Let's just go to environment. By the way, how I access this is just using Windows Q. We'll go to environment variables, go on path, click on edit, and we'll just add our stuff here that we copied. And always remember to remove this braces because that's what we don't require. And we press OK, we press OK, we press OK. That's done. Now let's quickly open our command prompt. Let's just do to check up whether it's installed or not. We have this command rustup, that is kind of core command for Rust. So this shows that our stuff is installed, and we can directly do stuff like cargo new, and what should be the name? Just name it as whatever, and it will create a project that is whatever. So this shows that our Rust is successfully installed in our system. So we are good to go for Windows PC. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.